Hello everyone, I'm going to make this video as a quick intro to the 2024 Solutions Challenge. We'll discuss, I've written what I have to discuss in this video. We'll discuss what the solution challenge is, we'll discuss the timeline, how do you need to make a project, is there any criteria, how do you register for it, and what are the prizes. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you about the solutions challenge. It is like a global hackathon that is conducted by Google, and it is conducted every year, and it is mainly aimed towards solving either of the 17 sustainable development goals by the United Nations. Like, either you can see no poverty, zero hunger, so you can choose any of these SDGs. Many would also be fine, it does not have to be one. You have to choose from these 17 goals, and you have to develop a solution using the Google technologies, and you have to submit that solution. So it is a restriction sort of that you have to use at least one Google technology. One extra factor that they have given us, I'll tell you in some time. Before that, I'd like to tell you about the timeline. Okay, so registrations are already open, and you can see there's a register now button. If you click on it, you'll open this form. So how do you fill this form? So you can form a team. It can be either you can participate alone, or the maximum is 5 members. um, and all of the team members have to fill the form individually. First of all, you'll have to, here's your email, full name, etc. Okay, you have to mention how you're associated with GDSC. If I'm filling this form, I'll tick on the GDSC lead members here, and if you're a normal member, you can click on the third option. Then you will have to choose our university. Our university is GDSC. Where is it? Here. Okay, so you can see there is India Chandigarh University. You have to click on this, make sure you tick on the correct GDSC, and it's a long list. Okay, then you have to select the SDGs that you're working towards. So it can be multiple of these. It is not rigid, like कि अभी एक चूज कर लिया, बाद में वो करना ही पड़ेगा, कोई दूसरा भी शिफ्ट हो सकता है. It is fine. Then you have to select the Google technologies. And now, main another factor that we got from Google is that the solution should have either the Google Cloud technology, or either the TensorFlow AML. So you have to work with at least one of them. It You could have other technologies in your tech stack. Like, if you want to develop a website, you can use Next or React as well. But it should have either the Google LLM models, I guess, with TensorFlow, or uh, the Google Cloud for the backend. So you have to choose which technologies you're using. You can use Firebase as well. You have to choose primary motivation. Like, you can choose any of these. Then, what is a technical experience? This is helpful because in the later stages, when you will be submitting your projects, you will be selected for regional boot camps. And during those regional boot camps, you will have mentorship from Google experts. And if you have like advanced applied theory, then you will be matched accordingly uh, to your Google experts. Then agree. You will have to agree all of them. Agree to all of them. Okay. So this is how you register. Now, what are the prizes? First of all, I'll tell you the timeline. Okay. We have till 4th of January. From 4th to the 20th of January, we have submissions for the boot camps. So you will have this window from 4 to 20. You will have to submit your solutions in this during this window, and the GDSC India team will be reviewing it and selecting you for the regional bootcamp, which will be conducted in an offline manner in different cities across India. And okay, so till 4th is the registration date. I'm not sure that registrations are open after 4th till the 20th, but just to be sure, let's consider that The registration timeline is 4th of Jan. You can register till here, and after 4th of Jan, you will have to submit your solution. Submit solution. Okay. So till the 20th of Jan. And from the 21st of Jan, what will happen is they will start selecting top 100 from all over the world. So if you would be selected in the top 100, what you will get, you will win t-shirt certificate. Okay. Mentorship from Google and other experts. So basically this top 100 is your pathway to the final solutions day. So it will be hosted live on YouTube on the Google for Developers YouTube channel, and it will be in May, I guess. So as you can see, the solutions submission open for the top 100 at the end of January, but then you have this whole time period till May where you will be working on your solution with the Google experts and trying to make it more scalable. Okay. So scalable is the right word. Okay. Then if you come in the final 10, top 10 during the global selections, what you will get is $1,000 cash prize for every team member and some extra swags and mentorship. So $1,000 is like 82, I think, per dollar, if I remember correctly. So per team member, and the maximum amount will be 4,000. It will not exceed 4,000. So if you have 5 members, you will still get 4,000. If you're in the top 10, the winning three will get $3,000 per team member, and the maximum will not exceed 12,000. So that is it. One thing I would suggest you. Okay, let me see if I missed anything. We discussed what timeline, how do you make projects? Okay. So on project, you will have some boot camps by your tech leads in the upcoming weeks. So we will have mini bootcamp sessions on AI, ML, cloud, not cloud. Okay, I don't think cloud. Okay, then web, Flutter, and Android. Okay, so these four technologies we'll be having mini bootcamp sessions, and these are aimed towards helping you in delivering these solutions. Okay, so you can you're free to reach out to any of the tech leads if you need, and we'll have to submit this solution before the 4th. Remember the timeline. No, not 4th. You have to fill this form individually as your team. Uh, all the members of your team have to fill up this form before the 4th, and from 4th till the 20th of January is when you submit your solution. It will be a different form for that, and you will also form your team during that time, and team can have maximum of 5 members. This is the prizes. These are the prizes, and yep, that's it, I think. Cool. Okay, you can also go here in the sustainable development goals, learn more, and you can find different projects that have been made in the past, like Wonder Tree. Let's click on it and see what it is. Okay, so it is something related to this good health and well-being SDG, and you can check out different projects. One more thing I will recommend you to see is the demo day of the solution challenge 2023. This video right here, miss on it. It is a very good demonstration of the top 10 projects, and these projects are really technically sound, and you can take a look on how you can aim towards making a solution if you're interested in participating for the solutions challenge. I would urge you all to participate, as there is no restriction on you have to make a new project now itself. Your project has to be made after February of 2023, which is almost a year back. So if you feel that you have a project that is good enough to be submitted, solves a problem, uses Google technology as well, you can go ahead and register with that project for your team. So I hope that is it, and you can reach out to any of us from the team if you need any help. Cool. Signing off.